Hi everyone. Let's take a look at this SAT problem. This is a classic new operator or defined operation question. You'll see a symbol you've never seen before. In this case, it's the theta symbol. Don't let it scare you. The problem will always tell you exactly what the symbol means. Our job is to act like a detective, follow the rule they've given us, and solve for the missing piece. Okay, step 1 is all about understanding the rule. As you can see on the screen, the problem defines m theta n as 3 times m squared minus n. Let's break that down. M is the number on the left of the symbol, and n is the number on the right. So the rule is, take the left number, square it, multiply it by 3, and then subtract the right number. That's the recipe we're going to follow. Now for step 2. We're given the equation 2 theta n equals 9. Let's compare this to our rule, m theta n. The number on the left, m, is 2 in our problem. The number on the right, n, is still just called n. And the problem tells us that the final result of this operation is 9. So let's apply the recipe. We take our value 4, m, which is 2, and plug it into the formula 3 meters squared minus n. As you can see, this gives us 3 times 2 squared minus n. We're almost ready to solve. We know that 2 theta n is equal to 3 times 2 squared minus n. We also know from the problem that 2 theta n is equal to 9. Since both of these things are equal to 2 theta n, they must be equal to each other. This allows us to write the full equation you see on the screen. 3 times 2 squared minus n equals 9. Now it's just a simple algebra problem. All right, let's begin step 3 and solve for Dane. Remember your order of operations, PEMDAS. We need to handle the exponent first. 2 squared, or 2 times 2, is 4. So our equation simplifies to 3 times 4 minus n equals 9. The next step in the order of operations is multiplication. We calculate 3 times 4, which is 12. Now our equation is even simpler. 12 minus n equals 9. Our goal is to get n all by itself. First, let's get rid of that 12 on the left side. To do that, we subtract 12 from both sides of the equation. On the left, 12 minus 12 is 0, which leaves us with just negative n. On the right, 9 minus 12 is negative 3. So now we have negative n equals negative 3. We are so close. We have negative n, but the question asks for the value of n. To go from negative n to positive n, we just need to multiply by negative 1. And whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. On the left, negative 1 times negative n gives us positive n. On the right, negative 1 times negative 3 gives us positive 3. And there's our answer. N equals 3. So to wrap it all up, we found that the value of n is 3. Looking back at our original choices, this matches option C. Excellent work. Remember, with these types of problems, just stay calm, figure out the rule they've given you, and then apply it step by step. You'll get it right every time.